Today's front clip is a 2024 Hyundai Kona. This one is headed to South Carolina for a customer, so we're in the pre-wrap stage right now. Checking everything out, making sure everything's going to meet their expectations before we wrap it up for freight shipment. If you're picking up a Hyundai Kona, it's going to look like this. This is the pickup stage, so he's sitting loosely on a skid, banded down but not wrapped. If you check out the other portions of my channel, you'll find what it looks like once it's wrapped. It's going to go on that skid there in the background. But for now, we're going to go over this, make sure the customer's satisfied. So we've checked for dings, paint scratches, any sort of signs of damage or stress. Not finding anything, we're safe to proceed. There is a noted ding in the hood, which is right up there. As always, we do full disclosure. We're not trying to hide anything from anybody, so not a big deal, just a little ding, but worth noting. Fender liners are hanging loose. It's because we don't want to break them on the skid, so we loosen them up so they don't get broken. Dash is not included, also standard. And things like the splash shield, the lower splash shield sitting right here, some other miscellaneous bits and pieces in that bag. I'll get under the hood and take a look here. Put the light on for you. So also pretty standard the way we do this. All the cooling stays in place. Rad condenser fans, AC lines, washer bottles over there. Sometimes you find a mounter mount, sometimes you don't. That's not promised, but you can't use it. We don't inventory them, so we leave them in as a bonus. Hoses are uncut, and we plug them, keep everything out, keep everything safe. Fuse box, cowl cover, under hood insulation. Your top support, everything looks really good here. Nice clean front end. So again, next up, this one's going to get wrapped up and head out later this afternoon for shipment. If you have any questions, interested in any fronts that we may have, I can be reached at 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. My name's Jared. Thanks for watching.